Hello everyone, my name is Amanda Haynes and I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers on the MELLO group. Today I wanted to show you this newly renovated waterfront home in Geneva, priced at $445,000. It's located at 2274 MULLET LAKE Park Road. You have a great big yard, and in the back you have access to the St. Johns River. This home has 2 bedrooms, a total of 1,124 square feet of living space. This is your first bedroom. And over here you have your closet. There's all new laminate flooring throughout. No carpet to worry about. Ceramic tile flooring in your full-size bathroom with your shower and tub and a large closet space. We then come into your primary bedroom. You have lots of windows, tall ceilings, a bathroom attached with a vanity and toilet, and walk-in closet. In the main part of the home, you have an open floor plan. The living room has tall ceilings with shelf space up at the top, new baseboards, ceiling fans, and light fixtures. The dining room is right next to your breakfast bar and the kitchen. Again, you have your ceramic tile flooring, tiled backsplash, and all new stainless steel appliances. You have an indoor laundry room. This could also be made into an office space with access taking you out to your carport. A nice wooded view across the street. And then we'll head out to the backyard where you can see your water view. You have a huge screened-in patio with ceiling fans up above. If you have school-aged children, you're zoned for Geneva Elementary, Lawton Childs Middle School, and Oviedo High School. MULLET Lake Park is less than a mile away. So you have a nice park within walking distance. There's 0.46 acres of land, a storage shed with power, and lastly, you have a boathouse with a boat slip and a boat lift right on the St. Johns River, giving you access to Lake Monroe, Lake Harney, and Lake JESSUP. Seller financing is being offered at 6%, so you can't beat that.